Greetings, my loves. It is your girl Robin T. Air checking in with my very first Hiding Out with Beauty series. First and foremost, I must give a shout out to God. Also, thank you for joining me today. I am gratefully honored. Today's look, I'll be showing you my everyday natural look, even though I don't wear makeup every day. It's soft, casual, and glamorous all at the same time. So stick around and enjoy this glow. Now, the first thing that I'm doing is I'm adding some Eco Styling Gel to my eyebrows to keep my eyebrows in place. And I'm using my NYX Professional Micro Pencil. I'm using the spoolie on the end of that, but I am going to use the pencil a little bit later. Please allow the Eco Styling Gel to dry. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm going very light on it. I'm not, you know, hammering it into my face. I'm just slightly brushing across my eyebrows, outlining them a bit, and I just want them to be natural as possible because this is a natural everyday look. And now I'm going back in with that NYX eyebrow pencil and I'm slightly outlining my eyebrows. Oh my goodness, isn't she the cutest? I love this little set. It is so cute. I'm using the concealer brush from this set, and I'm also using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. So now I'm just going to simply walk you all through the way that I do my eyebrows. So what I just pretty much did was put a great amount under my eyebrow, and I simply pushed it up a bit so I can sculpt it a bit easier. I didn't put too much concealer under there because I knew that I wasn't going to need it. LA Girl Pro Concealer goes a long way. So I am just, you know, stretching it out and working it out. And quick tip, ladies, I'm not sure if Moz mentioned this, but brushes do matter. I find that the brushes you do use matter when you are doing certain things. So for eyebrows, you would use a concealer brush or an angle brush or a brush that just help you make things precise, if I'm making any sense. Now let's jump into above the eyebrows. I'm taking that same concealer brush with the same shade, which is Toffee, and I'm sculpting above my eyebrows as well. Hey setting brush, hey! Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Real Technique setting brush and I am blending out that concealer that I just used to sculpt out my eyebrows. Please keep in mind that the saying you get what you paid for does not mean all good things are expensive, because this brush was $7? And you're right, I did get what I paid for. I'm bragging about it. Now what I'm doing is I'm getting my Black Radiance pressed powder and my number 7 BH Cosmetics brush, and I am pressing that powder into my lid. I find that this is a very natural method. I did not think that creating a base with my concealer would be necessary, being as though this was an everyday natural look. So yes, I used my pressed powder and I went into my Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette and I used the shade Zone. Wow, look who just popped into my video without even announcing themselves. Like, it's Deluxe Lifestyle Lashes, guys. It's a move. So I'm going to use my duo adhesive to pop them on. Now to prime my face, I'm using my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and I find that this primer works really good for me. It works good for me. Keyword, me. I'm not sure how it works on other people and other skin types, but it gets me ready for my foundation, and I appreciate that, e.l.f. So for one of the foundations that I'll be using today, it'll be Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation in the color Toffee, and to place that, I will be using my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. And to blend out our foundation, guys, I'll be using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I'm sorry I did not put the caption in the video, but I mean, I know that these beauty blenders are very, very popular, so I didn't really need to.
Got the homies in the basement playing 2K. The ladies in the kitchen frying a fish fillet.
Now let's see. Ooh. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna just checked in, guys, in the shade 420. So I'm just putting this shade on the outer parts of my face. This is going to tone down the Maybelline. When you put the Maybelline on, it comes out as if it's going to be a thick coverage, but really it's sheer, like it's very, very thin. So when you blend it, it's going to look white. So the Fenty Beauty is going to balance everything out, and it's just going to make it look beautiful and flawless. I bet you didn't know I was going to use LA Girl again in the color Fawn. I'm using this to highlight under my eyes, and I'm going to be blending it out with my setting brush a little bit later. Oh, a heart! Oh, I tried. So I don't know if you all have noticed, but me and my Real Techniques setting brush are inseparable. There is no taking us apart. There is no tearing us apart. I use this brush for a lot of blending, and it has always been there for me. So shout out to my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, okay guys? When it's damp, alright? I cannot stand dry beauty blenders. Now I'm turning it into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Palette, and I'm using the second darkest shade to contour. Now I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to blend out that contour, and I'm blending it in really, really good. Although this video was sped up, I'm blending it like crazy in reality, like I'm going ham on my face. And I'm going back in with that black Radiance powder in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm using my blush brush to contour with that powder. So the black Radiance Beautiful Bronze, it's going to set the contour and give it a little bit more tone. Now I'm going in with my Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Powder. This powder is wonderful. It's great for oily skin. I do have a combination of dry and oily skin, but this is where I get very, very oily, like the inner parts of my face. I am not baking. I'm just taking my setting powder and I'm placing it on top of where my concealer is. Now I'm taking my E.l.f. Volumizing Mascara in the color Black, and I'm putting that on my lower lashes. Now for the setting spray, everybody, we're using Prep and Prime by MAC, and we're just going to spray that all over our face. So today we are not using a highlighter, but we are using a bronzer. We're using MAC Mineralized and Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. I love this skin finish because it's not too much, you know, it's very, very natural and it's doable. I love it. Finally, guys, we are down to the lips, and we're using NYX Club Hopper Lip Liner, and we are using MAC's Cremesheen Sunblessed Satin Lipstick. This combination right here, let me tell you something. Now to blend out my lip liner, I'm using my ColourPop's Limbo Lip Applicator. I mean, the container is empty, but I still love using the brush to blend out my lip liners. Then I'm putting the Sunblessed over that, and I'm going to go back in with my lip applicator, and I'm going to blend that all out. I love the ombre effect. It works for me. Okay, honey, now she ready. You ready? Thank you guys so much for joining me today and watching my first Hiding Out with Beauty series. If you found that this video was to your liking, please click the thumbs up button, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be back with series number 2, so make sure you turn on your post notifications. See you later, love.